I am so excited. My new book is here. Yay! Math Positive Teaching. It's so exciting. It's coming out right now, available for everybody. And my author copies just arrived this week. It's been a crazy week. All my kids have been home for Thanksgiving, and we've been spending a lot of time together as a family. So I'm finally getting a chance to open it, and I can't wait to show you. I've seen the cover in emails, but I haven't seen it in person. So this is going to be very exciting. Now, this book is perfect for teachers of kindergarten through 5th grade who want to have a more positive experience teaching mathematics. Maybe there's a little bit of math anxiety kind of hovering around a little bit, and the book is really aimed at anybody who's interested in improving math outcomes for kids in K through 5. Oh my goodness, here it comes. Oh wow. Oh, this is exciting. Oh, there's the cover. Do you love it? I love it too. Oh my gosh. Math Positive Teaching, questions and answers for elementary teachers. I hope you'll check it out.